Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to import a video to your iMovie project on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application iMovie, and the video you wish to import to your project. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the Launchpad, search for the application iMovie, click on this, and now click on the current project which you are working within. Double click to import a video. Either we can import from the top navigation menu or click on import media within your project. This should now take us to the desktop or a folder that you were originally working within. So desktop, I have a video called trial video. Let's just click on this, import selected. And now the video has been imported to the project. So we can click this video, drag and drop into the working space. And so we can now Command S, or we can quit iMovie. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.